Chet Wilke, your car wash advisor. This is the sign of the times. In an instant like that, presto. Let's take a look around the car wash and we'll see how a car wash cleans your car.
Please wait while your receipt is printed. Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Please pull forward.
Just hold that button. Just hold the button. We are now entering the express tunnel wash. We've got friction brushes cleaning the car right now as we go through a 120-foot tunnel with various types of equipment to clean the vehicle. We all want a clean car, and this is how they do it inside an express car wash. Like everything else in life, things got easier. Now you don't have to wash your car in the driveway. You can just go through the express tunnel wash and get your car really clean. This certainly beats sitting outside in the sun washing your car. This is the view from your car in a car wash while the car wash is applying water, soap, and friction to clean the car. Now the easy part. Rinse it off and go through the drying system, a series of blow dryers, and the car wash is nice and clean, squeaky clean. At carwashadvisors.com, we sell all kinds of car washes, self-serve car washes, and express car washes just like this one. For more about the car wash, please visit us at carwashadvisors.com. We've been representing car wash buyers and owners since 1995 and have over $50 million of car wash properties for sale in Texas alone. This is how to get a clean car without doing it yourself. I'm Chet Wilke, your car wash advisor. It'll be my pleasure to assist you. We're just a click away at carwashadvisors.com or just Google Chet Wilke. Thanks for the tour of the car wash. Your car wash advisor. Today we're at the vending center and the vacuuming place under the canopy and express car wash. Typical of an express car wash, free vacuums. That's great. Come on out and visit us online at carwashadvisors.com. We'll tell you a little bit more about car washes. Thanks for visiting with us.